Industry 4.0 is a current trend. It's actively developing, and within this Industry 4.0, companies, manufacturing corporations, they are doing digital transformation initiatives. And the goals and the ways to consume these initiatives can come to some standard ways, and let's see the goals and the ways to consume them. So the goals, they can be broad, starting from yield improvement and quality improvement and preventing some downtimes, and at the end optimizing the throughput and probably doing some monitoring indicators, improving some monitoring indicators. For the ways to consume it, it's also can come to some standard ways. For example, notifications is one of these, and notifications can come to a variety of sources: email, SMS, WhatsApp, industry-specific application. Then the second way, it's the dashboard. These good old classical dashboards, they still provide a lot of value, and here the keyword would be that the dashboard must be real-time. Third way would be really the cherry on the cake is the automation. And the automation can be in fact fully autonomous or with the user intervention, for example, operator. And with this, it can be for predictive maintenance, automatically placing the order for some repairs or for doing some preventive maintenance, or it can be control. And the control, meaning data coming from machine, some process, and then the set points come back to the machine, so automatically controlled, or it can be with the operator in between to approve the control and to be, let's say, with a human to be in control of the machinery. And the most important take there that all these ways to consume and to achieve these goals of the digital transformation don't need to be complex, because the complexity is there, the technical complexity is there to implement, but the industry, the state of development, the state of the solutions is really good now. So that's nowadays, it's really a good time to do the digital transformation initiatives.